Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kangkana's Health Forum. I hope all of you are doing well. So in this video, you are going to learn about a very important vaccine that you have to give to your children. And why you have to give to your children, I am going to say in this video. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. Rota vaccine you have to give to your children. But why? This question should come to your mind. Because rotavirus vaccine is used to protect your child from rotavirus infections. So what this rotavirus infections does to your children? Rotavirus infection is one of the leading cause of severe diarrhea among young children. So that's why we need to give Rota vaccine to protect from rotavirus infections to the children. But now the question is, when we have to give this rotavirus vaccine? Means what is the age of giving this rotavirus vaccine? So Rota vaccine is given at the age of 6 weeks of the baby, 10 weeks of the baby and 14 weeks of the baby. So you should remember these weeks like 1.5 month, 2.5 month and 3.5 month. That means 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks of the baby. Okay. So now we will know how much amount is given to the baby. Means what is the dose? So dose is 5 drops. 5 drops Rota vaccine should be given to the baby in the 1.5 month, 2.5 month and 3.5 month. And the route of giving this vaccine is oral route. That means it is given orally. It is not an injection and it is not intradermal, intravenous or intramuscular. It is given orally. It's like polio drops. So it is given orally 5 drops in 1.5 month, 2.5 month and 3.5 month. So you should remember that. And why you have to give Rota vaccine? So that it will prevent your baby from severe case of diarrhea. Because it was seen that under 5 children are at greater risk of this severe diarrhea. So to prevent the severe diarrhea, they have launched Rota vaccine. So this vaccine is implemented in immunization schedule. So don't forget to give Rota vaccine to your child. And if you really like my videos, then give a thumbs up so that I'll be more motivated to make more videos like this. And till then, be healthy, be happy. Thank you so much.